Hello, Steve White, Steve Arts 89. Well, I'm here with my little Teela from Origins, or is it the Sorceress from the mini comics? I'm not sure. But this is my latest one that I got. I've started collecting the Origins in the last year or so. I grew up collecting the original toys, but it took a while to get into Origins, and I've been enjoying it. And we've actually had a couple of wave announcements in the last week. We had confirmation of Wave 13, which was Slamurai, the 2000X King Randor, Snake Trooper, and Snake Teela. Can't read my writing, sorry. And then a day later we had confirmation of Wave 14, which was Squeeze, Spikor, a Palace Guard, Snake Palace Guard, that's been turned into a snake, or a Snake Armor Man-at-Arms. And they had a picture, I think, from the 2002 line or from one of the classics or something like that. Not the actual item yet, but apparently it's confirmed. So this is all very interesting because a lot of people are getting all excited and oh, look how fast they're coming out. Look, obviously, the toy line's doing well. And a couple of months ago there was a story from an expert saying that emails had gone out in November saying that the toy line was finishing because the rights were reverting back to Universal at the end of the year. So in November, apparently emails went out saying that basically they would not be stocking anything after April, and basically it was all going to be done. And when a license finishes, they do get some leeway, some sort of time to sort of finish, selling things and fulfilling orders and the things they've been promoting. That you sort of need some time to sort of overlay and overlap and get this sort of stuff managed. And people are seeing these waves coming out and being announced so quickly and confirmed so quickly, and some people have even gotten stock within a day here in Australia. And people see this as a sign of how well the line is doing, and I'm like, no, I think, and I don't have any proof or information or anything, I'm just looking at this and thinking, no, they're just trying to get through it as quickly as possible. They're trying to get the stock out and all the stuff they were working on, because I guess they were thinking they were going to be able to extend the license or create a new license with Universal to keep doing what they were doing or something. They basically were, planning a bunch of items and they're just trying to get them out now. So that's all they're doing. They're just trying to pump it out as quickly as possible, get it, into the public eye, into the stores, and get it in people's hands as quickly as possible, because they're not going to be able to legally promote and sell this stuff very soon. But I had to make a video because I just find it really interesting that so many people are interpreting it as the absolute opposite. Oh, well, they just put new tooling into a Teela and they're doing whole new tooling for a Squeeze, and who else? King Randor is all new tooling. Now, Teela is very disappointing because basically just painting on a comic drawing of a snake on her body, and it looked really cheap, but apparently they put tooling into new shoulders on her outfit instead of just using the same buck or whatever it is, and put some tooling into the scales or maybe into the deco. But all we're getting is, it's just like they've just drawn it on with a pen. It's just really cheap and nasty to me. So I'm surprised people are getting excited about that. And I'm looking at these items, I'm not excited about any of them. The last thing I wanted to really get was from line 11 and 12 were the Sunman characters, because they're new characters I don't have. Cobra Khan was just nothing new. It's I find, for me to want Origins, I have to add something she has a yellow staff, and she has a sword, and she has a pigtail, and she has a different snake armor to actually fit on that. So she's actually different. And technically this is the Sorceress from the mini comics. If she has this on, take it off, she's Teela. So I realized I needed two of the characters. So I did need this. It took me forever to decide to get it, and I finally did. But it was enough. But I didn't find any reason to get Cobra Khan. I don't find any reason to get Spikor. Now Slamurai looks cool because he's white version of Ninja. The snake armor, it's a green Ratlaw head on top of a black Horde Trooper. I don't know why I would need it. The palace guard that's been turned into a snake. I don't know why I'd need that either. So I'm not very excited about the ones that are coming out. They do feel like just recolors or rehashes. I feel like they don't really have anything left that's, you know, really important, or the things that I want to see, like an Adora doll or a Red Catra or a Scorpia, or some of the figures from the mini comics or the Filmation series we never had, or we didn't have obviously in the 5.5 scale that they could do now. That's what I'm excited about, and we're not seeing that. All I'm seeing is a lot of stuff being pushed out and promoted really quick, which looks to me like they just need to get it done because they're done. But I could be wrong. We'll all know in April. It's kind of been fun to sit back and watch all this, and it'll be interesting to see where it ends up, you know. But I'm going to go. Feel free to share, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Do you think, you know, the line is ending in April, or do you think it's going to keep going and this is proof? Because I don't, it doesn't give me confidence. Bye.